my beautiful people, and welcome to another video. If you are new, are you a hater? No, you're a pretty girl. You're not a hater. Welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Now listen, all of you A1 Day ones, let the new girls know how we do it over here. Is this the day that I quit YouTube? Dun dun dun. And more interesting information right after this. Girl, hell no. Are you kidding me? So as you know, this is the morning after. And we slept the night away. It happened. This is the morning after, not that kind of morning after. This is the morning after the troll. And I really appreciate you guys who know me and who were ready and available to defend me. I guess you guys, listen, I have a real life. Like, I'm not in these YouTube streets like that yet. I'm just living my best life. I'm really enjoying myself. And I do this for you guys. I don't do this for me. Girl, I have other things to do. And I know, you know what I'm saying, that, to be honest with you, I know that there's a message behind the madness. And I'm going to keep going because I know that if I wasn't doing something right, I wouldn't be met with such opposition, right? And I am a celebrity, obviously, because you're obsessed with me. Okay, so anyway, moving right along. So I am going to get me some retail therapy. I'm going to get out of the house today. I'm going to bring you ladies along with me. I want you guys to know that you got to be proud of me because I have made an improvement. Now listen, my desk is not perfect, but I have improved it, okay? Improvement means better than it was before, girl. Y'all check me out and make sure I don't have any crust in my eye. Now, I still got, for your information, I have top teeth, dummy. Okay, I was in a car accident where I almost lost my life. But thank God all I lost was 2 teeth. Okay, you idiot. But anyway, so I wanted to show you guys my desk because it is an improvement. And I think you guys will be proud of me, okay? And then I'm going to show you guys the rest of the house because I have been working. When I get stressed out, that's exactly what I start doing. I start to clean, but I'm not going to stay in here all day. Matter of fact, let me call Bae. Hold on, y'all. Let me call Bae. Hold on. Un momento. Hey, Daddy, you coming pick me up? Yeah. Yes. Okay, bye. See ya. Love you too. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I did in the house, okay? And I want you guys to let me know your thoughts, please, down below. So, as you know, my desk was an atrocious mess before. It's still not perfect. It still needs a little bit of help. However, it's better than what it was. So, let's see. So, I did get things cleaned off. I did get all of my stuff that was on Honey's desk. I got that off. So, my desk is better. It's still not quite as organized. I'm still working on those blinds. I've got some people, I think they're called AAA blinds. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're going to come out and measure and give us an estimate. So I'll let you ladies know what they say because I want to get both. I'm going to get some new blinds, and then I'm going to also get some valances, and I'm going to have you ladies help me to pick that out. Now, let's talk about a few things. Okay, so we're done in the office. Now, let's go in the bedroom. Y'all, I did get this stuff, the new stuff. Oh, y'all, I got this fresh balsam candle. Oh my God, it smells just like Christmas. I didn't think that I would like a very woody, earthy, forest-like scent, but I absolutely love this fresh balsam. So, y'all, head on over there to Bath & Body Works and get you a fresh balsam. Okay, let's go on. I got that new set. I don't know, did I tell y'all? I got a new set from Amazon, right? For my bed set. But, y'all, I didn't like it. So, I paid $100. I think it was $105 or something? I don't know. It was like $100, but it was the comforter and everything. It's not this one. This is my old set. What I did do, let me see. What I did do, oh, y'all look at these shoes from Fashion Novas. Aren't these cute? Listen, if you are a size 11 and you want some furry shoes, let me know. Hit me up. Because I'm probably going to give these away to somebody who needs to keep their feet warm. Okay, anyway. Let me see. Hopefully my double chin goes away soon. Okay, anyway. So I ordered a sheet set to go with the new comforter. Here's the sheet set. Right? It's okay, but I don't think... Listen, I know for a fact that comforter, I didn't like it. I slept with it last night. It was freezing. I didn't like it. We sending it back. I paid $25 for some pillows. I didn't like them either. They going back. So, but what I do, I made up the bed. This is the old set. These pillows are new. Y'all know I'm so obsessed with these pillow inserts. I'll try to put them down there in the description box. This is my headboard. I'm actually working on my headboard. These did not come with it. These diamond rhinestone things. I put those in with a hot glue gun. So, I got the little diamond pieces. Let me show you. I'll try to see if I can find these. I got the little diamond pieces. Can y'all see? Wait a minute. I got the little diamond pieces from Amazon, right? Like this. And then I'm just hot gluing them in there. So, I'm not done yet, but that's what I've done so far. Okay? To the headboard. So, anyway. Y'all, this is just... I can't show y'all this because this is stuff that we haven't done yet. But hopefully it gets done before the end of the year. Y'all, look at this skirt. Is that not everything? And guess what this... Y'all put down in the comments if you can guess where this skirt is from. Guess where this skirt is from. This is a skirt, girl. In a 5X. Guess where it's from. Just guess. I just want you to guess. But yeah, this is supposed to be a try-on haul. I just have been so uninspired lately. But anyway, okay. So I got the bedroom done. This is all stuff that I did today. Okay, let's look at the living room. Y'all remember my pile? My clothing pile. So both chairs, we got both red chairs. Y'all remember the clothing pile? Clothing pile is gone. These are the things that are going to go on the wall. So that's why those are there. Clothing pile is gone. But listen, girl, look where it's at. But look how small it is. All this stuff on the table just needs to be hung up. This stuff in the box is summer stuff that needs to be posted on... summer stuff that needs to be posted on Macari. So I'm going to be posting. That's what all that stuff is. So you guys, I'm getting somewhere. That's why the devil is so busy. Oh my goodness. So look at the tree. Okay. Now the tree, I'm actually... Girl, what is going on? Girl, what happened? I'm going to be doing some different things with the tree. Look what I got. Amazon again. They're the only ones where I can find warm light. So I'm going to take all... I've been taking all my ornaments off. I'm going to put the ornaments back on. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put some more lights on there. So that's what I've been working on so far. I just want to say thank you so much for all of you lovely people who are real, who are not two-faced and phony. I really love you and appreciate you. Thank you for letting me be me. The table, nothing new with the table. This is the little area in here. You know, still no tree up yet, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it, y'all. Going to school full time, working a full-time job, doing YouTube, it's a lot. But I love it, and I appreciate the opportunity, and I'm never, ever going to, I'm never, ever going to take it for granted. You know what I'm saying? So, got to stay on my toes, you know what I mean? Okay, so I had to put, this is Mary Cookie. I got all my candles lit today. I didn't show y'all this is what I decided to do with the bar. This is what I've done so far. It's not finished either, but okay, so there's the light on the bar. This is what we've done so far. I moved that box and put it up here. I got to get one more white candle. But that's what we got on the bar so far with my little snowman. So we're working on it. It's in progress. It's in progress. So things are looking up. We're working on it. Babe's about to come get me. I'm going to take y'all with me. Let's go have lunch. Let's go. Where do we want to go? Let's go to the park. Let's have lunch. And let's go shopping. Let's go out and about today and see if we can find us a few things, okay? So listen, we're already 15 minutes in. This is going to be an extremely long vlog, I'm sure. But that's okay. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in a minute. Mwah! Oh, and I got my nails done. If you guys weren't on live the other night, I didn't get my nails done. I did my own nails. So shout out to you guys. Be back. Hey, y'all. We in the car with Bae.
You gonna do it up there, or you gonna put it there?
I can hold it. Oh,
you're on your phone with Jazz?
Yeah.
Okay.
You called him?
You got his number pulled up.
Okay.
You wanna call him? I found it humorous yesterday when you told him to get out the blog. I was like, what?
He might not answer you.
You might not answer me?
No, he's not gonna answer you.
Why not?
Hey, Chad.
He just picked up.
Hey, it's Joy.
Hey, what's going on?
I was calling you to see what time you want to head. You want to meet up today for lunch or dinner. Did you talk to Nye?
Yeah, I was waiting to talk to you. So she said that I think she's still on the phone now. I think she's still working, but she said she just needs to know so she can get herself together.
You want to try to meet at 7:30?
Yeah, that's fine.
You still want to go to the same place, or you want to go somewhere else?
No, I'm happy with that.
Okay.
Alright, are you filming?
Huh?
Are you filming?
Yes.
Oh, so you ain't gonna tell me I'm on film, dog?
I was gonna tell you, but I didn't get a chance.
You know what? Well, I ain't saying nothing crazy, so I keep it real, so if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready.
Well, the good thing, I thought you would be happy to know that I didn't quit again.
Nigga, you quit like at least once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks, I quit.
Listen, man, as much shit as we've been through and we ain't quit, my mama ain't made no quitters.
That's true.
We done been through hell.
I was built for this, man. I was built for this.
We've been through hell and high water. People, that's what I say, people really only see a keyhole of what our lives are and what we've been through. If they really know the shit that we've been through, they wouldn't even come for us.
No.
I think, that's the only reason why I have my words for you, because I don't want you to let these people think like they really shake you, because listen, man, what we've been through and what we've survived and come through, anything that they do, ain't nothing they can do to really
Yeah.
It may look like we phased, or it may look like you phased, but you're really not bothered. I don't know why you make people think you bothered.
It's not that I'm making people think that I'm bothered. I'm not bothered. I'm bothered. It's the principle. Like it's just, I don't know. But I guess it's like, when will you learn? I will never learn, because I'm never gonna stop. Number one, I'm not gonna put other people down to make myself feel better. I'm not gonna do that. And number two,
I think it's empowering to give.
It's how you do, not what you do.
Right.
it's how you do, not what you do. I know.
But
Well, y'all can just keep talking to me and keep spanking me, and eventually I'll act better.
But I think you have a platform. You had a big point to make last night that you're not going to be bullied.
I cuss a bitch out real cool, real smooth, but they never even really know it.
That's what I gotta learn how to do. I gotta master the art of the bullshit.
Oh, you got demonetized.
No, I ain't worried about that. But okay, Chad, I love you.
Alright, well, so 7:30.
Yeah, 7:30. So hopefully we can. Well, on CP time, man. CP time.
Wow, so alright, man, it can't be too late. Well, no, it's Friday, so it don't matter.
Okay.
But I mean, it does matter. Don't operate as if it don't matter. Be there at like 7:30 today.
But I'm not gonna dress up. I don't want to dress up.
Oh, I'm not dressing up. I mean, it's probably gonna be chilly, so I'm gonna wear like some jeans and a shirt or something like that.
Okay.
So,
Sounds like a plan.
Love you.
Alright, man. Love you too. I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye. I know you hating on me. The reason why you hating on me is because you don't have the most amazing people in your life. You don't have a Biggs. You don't have a brother that will whoop a bitch ass for you. You don't have a man that love you and love your dirty draws.
Wash your dirty drawers.
Babe, you do wash my drawers, don't
I
you?
do. Every day.
I
All
know.
the time.
I would hate on me too. But anyway, let me go call my bestie back. She was calling me, and I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. We getting out of here, man. We finna go.
Get ready to roll.
We finna roll out.
Where we headed right now?
I don't know where we going.
Going to get some fish.
Yeah, we're gonna go have a little lunch,
snack,
have a
a little
date.
snack.
We're gonna have a date. So you taking me on a date, babe?
Taking on a date, get some fish.
Take me on a date.
Going down to the lake.
Take me to the lake, yes, babe. Spoil me.
See who's riding the bus today.
Bye, y'all.